Want to mute bad words in CapCut without ruining your video flow? Here's the fastest way to censor your audio in under 60 seconds. First, open CapCut and load the video where you want to censor the language, then drop it onto your main timeline. Play the clip and pause right before the bad word starts. We're going to isolate that exact section of audio. Tap split to cut the clip at that point. Then move a few frames after the bad word ends and tap split again. Now you've got a tiny middle clip that contains only the bad word. That's the piece we're going to mute or bleep. Zoom in on the timeline if you need more precision, especially when the word is really short or spoken quickly. To mute the bad word completely, select that middle clip, tap volume, and drag it all the way down to 0. Play it back. The word disappears, but the rest of your audio stays perfectly intact before and after. If you want a classic bleep instead of silence, head to the Audio tab, then tap Effects and search for a beep or censor sound. Drag that sound effect onto the timeline and line it up exactly with the muted word clip. Trim the beep so it matches the length of the word, then slightly fade it in or out if it feels too sharp. Repeat this for every bad word, then export. That's how you quickly mute or bleep bad language in CapCut while keeping your edit clean and professional.